JL. Seaberg. This is a Noble. No brand. Pads everywhere. What does it look like? Oh, it's nice. I doubt this is gonna have a good motor. This is traction. I think you ran out of space, did you? Yeah. Bang. Very nice sounding motor. We'll probably retake for him. Maybe I can find a place to charge. JL JetPlus VR with the black rings around him. I don't know who installed this. Yeah, this is a Seaberg. Yeah, the door track, yeah. There it goes, and that's it.